So first of all, I want to say welcome to everybody. But before I do anything, I have to introduce my boss and the CEO of New Hampshire and Vermont region, Maria Devlin. Hi, Maria.
Thank you, thank you. So yes, I'm the CEO of the American Red Cross in New Hampshire and Vermont, and thank you so much for supporting the American Red Cross and going out with us today. The folks here are mostly volunteers. We're over 90% driven by a volunteer workforce, and so as you all go into people's homes, you know what we do and how we work with folks. What I love about the home install program is we're usually there, as are you, when something traumatic happens. We're there offering help and hope after a fire, and this gives us an opportunity to meet with people to help them be prepared for that. And so this partnership is going to be wonderful for the residents of Merrimack, and I know we're going to do an awesome job. We're going to represent both the Merrimack Fire Department and the Red Cross extremely well, and I wish you all great success today. Charles.
Thank you. All right, again, good morning. My name is Charles Hall. I'm the Senior Disaster Program Manager for Southern New Hampshire. So Merrimack is part of my team, and when I look at you guys and what you represent, I appreciate everything you do. And again, like Maria was stating, the 90% of our workforce, you're looking at them, all volunteer. You know what, can't do anything without their involvement, and I'm very proud to represent them in Southern New Hampshire.
Screws a little. I want to. Good to go. Or not.